Hello friends, in this React.js tutorial series, I am going to start the phase 1 for foundation. So in this video, in this series for the phase 1, I will complete ES6 features, JavaScript features, and then we will start the React.js fundamentals. So for the first thing that I am going to discuss is the REST operator. Okay, so what is the REST operator? So the REST operator is we pass the variable arguments in a function, and that number of arguments are not fixed, so we use this rest operator in JavaScript. So how we will code it? We will create one HTML file, and in body section I have these things I have written. This is only for the content, means definition of this rest operator. In the script, in JavaScript, I will create one function like display. Yeah, I have disabled the auto suggestion. Now I will write one function and three dot args. You can keep any name at for the args, but you have to keep these three dots, which means it will take the variable arguments. So here is what I will do is I will call this function display, and I will pass some variables like some data. I will pass like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and I am going to console.log, and here args I will console it, and I will save it, and I will run this. Okay, I will run from here, stop it, and I will run, and I will inspect it, and we will see there are 5 numbers. We have printed this one, and this is how the rest operator works. We will try the another example, like okay, we have this, like we are trying to change the arguments. Okay, I have removed some arguments, and we will see what is happening. So I will refresh it, and you can see here only 3 elements in the list. So this is how rest operator works. We will uh, we will do another example. We will do some sum of numbers, sum numbers, and here what I will do is I will create one const sum equal to 0, and for so I will take one element at a time of num, and I will sum it, sum plus, and here after adding I will do console.log, console.log to print the sum. Okay, so I am printing here sum, and also I can return this sum. Okay, so that I will save it and I will run it. So we are not getting the results. Why we are not getting result? Because we are not passing any arguments to this function, and we are not calling this function. So reason is we are not calling this function. I will call this function, and I will pass some arguments like 60, 40, 50 and 20. So the sum, it should be like 100, 150, 170. So I have saved it. I am refreshing it, and we can see our sum is 170. So this is how we can use our rest operator for the variable arguments. If you are new to this channel, here we can also check it. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe